These tips contain very important things to how to make your Samsung Galaxy phone battery to last a lot longer. So this is very important tips for all the Android smartphone users and even the iPhone user. So the number one tips which is very important, if you are using internet regularly on your Android device, especially S22, so you have to use Wi-Fi network. You have to use Wi-Fi network because Wi-Fi network will really help you and last your device a lot longer. This is very important. Instead of using cellular data, you have to use Wi-Fi. You have to connect to Wi-Fi for your internet activities. This will really give you a very good difference. So the second is that on Samsung phone the battery is like 3,000 and something. So that is the all of the battery. And also, if you want to protect your battery or to know which actually apps consuming your battery energy, you have to go to this battery and you have to go to here and check anything that use your battery, and you can manage it through here. As you can see, you will see how many percentage of the battery that those applications consume on your Android device. So this is a very good idea because you can know which app is using more energy on your battery and how you can protect it by using, maybe if you are using it like in the background, if you use app in the background or allow that app to use in background, you may like stop that using in background, because this will really help you. So imagine if you go to like this app, after you close it, you can see if you close this application on Android, on Samsung, you can see one active application. This is very important because if you want to make your Samsung to last at a lot longer, you have to check this option, because if you see this uh, app is also active, so you have to click it, and what you can do, you can stop it to using in the background. So this will also save you a lot of battery. As you can see now, there is no app you on the background. This is the second tips which I am using all the time, and will really, and this boost my battery lasting. So the third one is turn on dark mode. Dark mode is very important. If you turn on it, it will help you to make your battery also lasts longer. So this is how you can go to setting. Under display, you can turn on dark mode in here, so you can turn on it. As you can see here is the lights. If you click this, as you can see, it is light, and if you click dark mode, now you can see it is dark mode. So you have to make it all the time in here. Also, most of Samsung from phone come was like always on display, so you have to turn off this feature, because also it will consume your battery. And another thing that you have to take note of is that you can go to any app, you can click any app that you don't need, like want it to use it on the background. You can toggle it on, and you can like toggle it off. So if you click any app, as you can see, is this icon can give you more important things about the application. So after you come here, you can see like background. If you see any background usage, you can toggle it off. So this also will really help you. As you can see, allow background data usage. So you can toggle this off in order to make the app completely usable when you open it. When you close it, it will stop any working in the background until you open it again. And also, as you can see, you toggle it off. So now you can go to any app especially if you go to your battery usage data and you see the apps that consume a lot of your battery energy, you can go there and you can determine to stop using that app in the background, and so many different things that we can do. So these are the honest things that I apply on this Samsung Galaxy S22, and the battery also boost a lot longer. So the next thing or the last thing is that you can also, to make things even better, you can turn on power saving. As you can see, what power saving can do for you, it can like limited some of the internal hardware of your phone that you could use more battery, and this will really help your phone to last longer. As you can see, if you toggle this on, you will see limit CPU speed to just 70%. This will really help you to your battery to last longer. And also you can see it will automatically turn off all yours on display and decrease brightness to just 10% and sets motion smoothness to standard, and turn on dark mode and set screen time out to 60 to 30 seconds. So this, if you toggle this power saving, it will almost do everything that you need to maximize the battery to last longer on your Samsung devices, or on Android device. You can apply different strategy for this to work. And also if you have an iPhone, you can use it. You can also toggle on power saving mode, and so many like toggle up background app activities, and doing bunch of things like similar which I show you in this Samsung Galaxy device. So that's all, guys. Please like this video, share it with friends, family, subscribe and follow me for more video like this. Mr. Abba Tech signing out.